this is going to be the fourth video on these tanks. So this one's all made, ready to go. So just marking out, copying these onto the second tank, and let's get to it. Right, so what we've done, we take measurements from that one to that one, that one to that one, and we've copied it over. I've inscribed the marks that need to be drilled, so we're going to set up the drill and drill these out on a flat piece and set it together like that one. So over we go. Like as always, we do our punch, help the drill stay in one place and not wander off our mark, because we need him on smack on to match up with the other ones, because we want that fuel to pass lovely between each one and not be stuck in a divot. Let's change this bad boy out and get that big piece in. I've sharpened this because it blunted on the last one. Or you just stick a grinder on it to sharpen them up. Okay, I need a bit of the laurel because it's gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy. Right, and of course we can't just drill straight on air because I don't want to drill through the bottom of there. This piece of wood is really too long, so we'll clamp it to that and I'll come back. So hopefully it will cut. Okay, we're at our full max of the depth of this piece of wood, which I was hoping it was going to be deep enough, but clearly not. 60 mil and that's only 45. So wood's going to have to go, and we're going to have to put something else in its place. We got to get rid of the wood, and I got this bit of scaffolding tube, which is going to be absolutely brilliant for what we want. So we'll wind them up into it and let's go. Last one. Here we go. That is the last one. Tidy. We have it. Oh, stuck it down there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sides done. It all welded up apart from the 3-inch off takes, and just going to let this cool down now because I put a lot of heat in now welding all the way around it. So we'll let it cool and then we'll weld in those circular bits. Nice, nearly there. Both tanks are in now, so we just gotta measure this pipe to see how long they're gonna be, and then build some support for them. So we got 47 inches. See, 47 inches. Okay, I'll cut our first one at 47 inches, and then hopefully we'll have enough to do 3. I would have thought so. Gosh, tough stuff. Jeez, right there. Okay, moment of truth, guys and girls. Let's get this on here. Okay. Okay, on the other side. I might have cut it a bit long actually. Yeah, cut it about 10mm too long, so we're going to have to trim that down. Cut our 10mm off. I haven't screwed this one down yet. See what the fitment's like. We might have to cut a bit more off. Because no, that's not binding. Okay, I'm gonna have to screw them in. That's not bad. I'm gonna make because there's a pipe. The IVA says every 300mm I gotta have it clipped. So I'll have a clip there and a clip there, and I'll make it a series the same as them. But I'll cut the other two now, and we'll go from there. Here goes number 2. Do a very bottom one. Okay. There's a that bar in the way. Oh, there's 2. Last one. Cutting the last one now. Come on, little bugger. Yay. And I got loads to spare, which is good. Just in case in the future. Now we got loads of stainless steel beads. Make sure we got the right size ones. Yep. That's gonna go on there. And that one is on the same way as that way. Oops, right size. Yep, just tight. And this is it, the final one, guys. It's the final one. Now you can see it or not. Still got to screw these ones on. There they are. 1, 2, 3. They can push on a bit more once I've screwed this. It's a bit tight here. I can't get the drill in to drill that hole, so I'll have to pick the back end up and chuck it over so I can get the drill in it to drill and tap that. But other than that, I got make the brackets to keep that off the handbrake cable and keep them separated. Other than that, whew, we got there in the end.